Hey, ever wanted to make your own AI voice assistant using Raspberry Pi? In this video, I'll show you how to turn your voice into text on a Raspberry Pi using Whisper AI. No button pressing. It listens and transcribes automatically. This is part 1 of our AI assistant series, just speech to text for now. ChatGPT and TTS coming up next. So, let's get started. The full list of components is available in the video description. You'll also see each component clearly shown in the video as we build. First, let's set up our Raspberry Pi. Connect the USB SD card reader to your computer or laptop, and then open your browser. Install the Raspberry Pi Imager software. Select your Raspberry Pi model, then the operating system and your USB card reader as storage. Obtain your OpenAI API key by logging in to platform.openai.com. After logging in, go to Billing and check your credits. You can go to this link to see your credits. You will need to buy credits before proceeding further. After getting some credits, go to API Keys and create a new API key. Copy this API key safely to use further in our project. Insert the bootable SD card into the Raspberry Pi. You can use an HDMI micro to HDMI female converter to connect the Pi to your monitor screen, as I have done. Now set up the hardware. I have used a generic USB mic, a mini Bluetooth speaker, and a pair of mouse and keyboard for setup and programming. I have used a 10,000 mAh power bank with 30-watt output to power my Raspberry Pi, as at least 25 watt is required to power a Raspberry Pi 5. Connect the Bluetooth speaker to the Raspberry Pi. We won't be using it in this part, but this same speaker will be used in the upcoming parts of this series. Set the Bluetooth speaker as audio output and the USB mic as audio input by right-clicking on the respective icons. Now it's time for the programming. Do as I do, and don't skip a single command. First, make sure that our system is up to date. Next, install required build tools. Now create a project folder. Then inside the folder, create and activate a virtual environment. Install required libraries. Now create your speech-to-text script file. I'll leave the code in the video description for you. Don't forget to put your OpenAI API key here in the code. Don't copy mine as it won't work for you. Press Ctrl+O and enter to save the file. Then press Ctrl+X to exit the Nano editor. Then run your STT script with this command. Always make sure that you're inside the project folder and virtual environment before running the file.
How are you? What is your name? Where do you live? My name is Tom. Do you play cricket? I support RCB. Thank you. What is your favorite dish? Who is the Prime Minister of India? Who is the Prime Minister of Bangladesh? Who is the Prime Minister of Bhutan? Who is the Prime Minister of Russia? What do you study? Can you play cricket? Can you play cricket like Virat Kohli? Thank you.
Yo, it actually worked perfectly. Parts 2 and 3 are coming soon, so make sure to stay tuned. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you've got any questions or doubts, just hit the comments. I'll be there.